We've been building this trailer for a long time. It's a 55-ton removable neck Paver Special. And here is the new premium full width Paver Special ramp. So it comes standard with 18 D-rings. This one is prepped for a 4th flip axle for your heavy loads with wood decking where allowable and then steel fenders over the tires. Comes with a heavy-duty Cush air ride suspension. So you can see the Cush air ride suspension with the 3rd lift axle bag right there. It comes standard with 12-inch swing out, heavy-duty cast outriggers. They are also removable, so they're easily replaceable if you bend one or damage one. So this front ramp has an 8-degree load angle. There's not a paver or roller that won't go up it. We offer this trailer with individual low approach loading angle ramps. This has been a feature that has been requested a lot by our customers. Fully universal ramp. It comes with a remote, so you can operate it from away from the trailer. It comes with a solar charger that you put out when you're not using the trailer to maintain the battery. All of our detachable neck trailers come standard if it's an air ride 3-axle with a 3rd lift axle operated right here. It also has strobes on a battery backup operated from here so they can be run when the neck is detached. And then our Paver series, as you can see, has an 18-degree load angle so you can still load at least your rollers and some other equipment up here. Powered by an electric over hydraulic motor with 2 heavy-duty lift cylinders. So operating the hydraulic neck is about as user-friendly as it can be. You can either get the self-contained Honda pony motor or run it off your truck hydraulics. We have a self-locking air pin with a positive locking system. It's all powered by heavy-duty 8-inch hydraulic cylinders. So you can adjust the height of your trailer with 3 different teeth. And customers really like that for different size loads, different loading scenarios, different ground clearance needs.